Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Leonardo Officina Italiana exclusive Momento Zero. This pen is made exclusively for Pen Chalet. It comes in a really light gray / silver sleeve. It has the name of the collection here, Momento Zero collection, handmade in Italy, and then some beautiful script in Italian. The brand logo here and their name, Leonardo Officina Italiana. And then you slide that sleeve off, and inside is a black matte light cardboard box with the company name again and the logo. And you open the box up. Inside it's just a classic black hinged gift box. Inside is a branded felt material, very soft and cream, and then you've got the Leonardo name and logo. First thing you'll see is your card here designating that your pen is made in Italy, and this card also lists the information about your guarantee. Then you'll also see this little pamphlet, the Momento Zero collection, and this has information about your pen. And then underneath that you'll find your Momento Zero exclusive, and just take that pen sleeve off. So this is our newest, as of February 2021, this is our newest Pen Chalet exclusive Momento Zero from Leonardo Officina Italiana. This is one of our Ebonite exclusives. So the barrel is made from Ebonite. The cap is black resin, but the barrel is this beautiful striated green Ebonite. So when you go to look for this on the website, it'll be listed under Momento Zero exclusive, and the color name will be emerald green ebonite. So the ebonite barrel is here, and it is just a really, really pretty combination of varying greens with a little bit of black mixed in, and the dark and light elements. I just really like the combination of the light and the dark elements, especially when you look at the overall effect with the black resin materials that are kind of forming a frame for the ebonite, as well as the black trim. So you've got a spring metal clip, and Leonardo's have great clips. They're really functional. You have the double ring here at the bottom of the cap that is followed right by this one ring at the tip of the threading on the barrel, and then you have another ring down here right between the, when the ebonite ends and the resin of the piston knob begins. It is a threaded cap, and the nib does match the black trim of the pin. Each of these pins is individually numbered with 250 pins made, and each of these pins is hand turned in Italy. Other Momento Zero exclusive pins are made of solid resin, but this pin is, as I said, made of solid ebonite. This barrel is made of solid ebonite. And then the pins are fitted with these German stainless steel nibs. You'll see the Leonardo logo there on the nib, and then the name Leonardo, and then Italy. Okay, this Momento Zero is a cartridge converter pin. So when you're ready to use it, you're just going to unscrew your barrel from the section. Inside is your ink converter, and the ink converters are branded. They're the Leonardo ink converters. So to fill your pen, you're going to go ahead and turn the ink converter all the way to counterclockwise until you feel resistance, and then dip it in your ink, and then turn it all the way clockwise until you feel resistance, and then the ink should have been pulled into the ink converter. And once that's done, you just go ahead and put your section back onto your barrel, and your pen should be ready to use. If you prefer to use an ink cartridge, you just unthread your ink converter, because this is a threaded ink converter, and then you would just go ahead and pop in your standard international ink cartridge of choice. With the ink converter though, you'll be able to use your Leonardo Momento Zero exclusive pen with any bottled fountain pen ink of your choice. So this is our latest Momento Zero exclusive, only available at Pen Chalet, and this is, and as a reminder, what makes this pen stand out from even some of the other Momento Zero exclusives is that the barrel is created from solid ebonite. And if you'd like to get more information about this particular pen from Leonardo Officina Italiana, you can find more information on the website at penchalet.com. This particular version of the exclusive Momento Zero is referred to as the Emerald Green Ebonite. This is currently a pre-order, so if you're interested in it, go ahead and get your pre-order in now so there will be one set aside for you when they arrive. Get more information on all of your favorite Leonardo pens at penchalet.com.